Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equal to 6 ds. Because we don't have number 6, so we need to divide both sides by number 6. So this one we change by u. ds we change by this one. Next, we have the formula in here. So, we put number 4 gone here, so we have 4 plus 1, we have number 5. So, number 6 and number 5, we have 30. About u, that is about this one. And that is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one we have 4t to the power of 3. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. Because we don't have number 8 from number 2 and number 4, so we divide both sides by number 8. So this one we change by u. T to the power of 3 dt, we change by u over 4 du. So 1 over 4 I will put outside. U and u, we have u square. And now we apply same formula in here. So I will put number 2 for n, so 2 plus 1 we have number 3. So number 4 and number 3 we have number 12. About u, that is about this one. Now let's go to the next one. In this situation, we need to add about s. Later that, we need to minus about s. Next, negative number 2, I will put negative number 1 and negative number 1. So this one we can do about factorization by s. This one by negative number 1. So this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one. So we have s minus 1 over s plus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. Number 1, that is about s. This one we have ln of the absolute value of x plus 1. And then I will put the bounds from 0 to number 2. And now we have the final answer in here. So this one you got 0, ln number 1 we have 0. So this one we have number 2. This one we have number 3. So we have negative ln number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.